yeah, this thing's just a beast. What's up, guys? In this video, I just want to cover this Dyna-Glo Kerosene heater. And this video is part of a series, but I just wanted to show it running. I'm currently doing a test to see if it can boil some water, but I want to cover some of the basics of how these kerosene heaters function and if they'd be of benefit to you. I use this in my garage to heat up the area as I work. But essentially this has a kerosene tank down here that you fill, and a wick dips into there, absorbs the kerosene, and then burns up here on a metal plate that then radiates the heat upward and outward through these vented and ported vents right here. It is getting scorching hot. You can see like the heat waving right there. So this one is indoor rated, and I don't know, if you let me know what your thoughts are on like propane heaters versus kerosene heaters, because there's like a lot of information on ChatGPT or Google or what have you discussing some of the like safety concerns or whatever with these. But essentially with the 1K kerosene use in these, it burns so clean that there's no smell, there's no smoke, and so little of carbon monoxide. They say it's not zero, but it's so little that it can't really build up. It does say that you should like leave a little bit of a breeze or some airflow in this. It's not anything to worry about. This puts off a ridiculous amount of heat, so I'm pretty close to it, so I'm burning it up right now. But yeah, if you have any questions in the comments, I'll be sure to answer them about this product. And be sure to check out the other videos in this series. Any like questions you have, I tried to make this series address all of those. So yeah, this thing's just a beast. I use this, like it's winter right now, and I'm like sweating in my garage, and it is 15 degrees outside. So it's pretty sweet. And be sure to check out the video where I see if this can boil water. So have a good one. Peace.